So good morning, students. Today we will do the activity related to this chapter. Good morning, students. Today we will do the chapter number 7 of grammar, that is apostrophe S. We are going to do the activity related to this chapter. So before starting the activities, I want to know that which sign is used to put apostrophe. Please write in the chat box which sign is used to put apostrophe. Yes, apostrophe के लिए कौन सा sign use किया जाता है? I had told you that this term is not in your chapter. ये जो apostrophe s term है वो आपके chapter में नहीं है. Only this sign is there. Apostrophe sign is there and s is there. Okay, apostrophe. Very nice. Okay, this apostrophe जो ये comma होता है, that is on upper side or lower side? Tell me in chat box. That is on upper side or lower side? Tell me the right. Yes, upper side. Better spelling of upper, Ketan. U double P E R. Okay, not single P. नहीं, it's double P. Okay, that problem. Very nice. Upper side. Very nice. And this sign. What do we call this sign? जो ऊपर को जो comma होता है. What do we call this sign? Yes, this sign is called apostrophe. This sign is called apostrophe. Then S word is S letter is attached with it. Then jointly this word is known as apostrophe S. Not this sign, not word, but this sign is apostrophe S. So in class 2, the purpose of apostrophe S is to show. What does it show in your chapter? Beta, this is wrong. Spelling is wrong. Okay, bache. Uh, Please, what is the purpose? Why we use apostrophe s in class 2? What is the purpose of this apostrophe s? क्या शो करता है ये apostrophe s? I had told you apostrophe s is used to show what? Yes, to show belonging. Very nice, Ekvi Singh. To show belonging, to show possessiveness. ठीक है कि possession, sorry, to show possession. ठीक है, possession मतलब किसी चीज का अपना होना. ओके, बिलोंगिंग मतलब किसकी चीज है, उसका मतलब कि पोजेसिव, उसका कब्जा, किसी चीज का अपना होना, कब्जा होना किसी चीज पे, दैट इज कॉल्ड पोजेशन. ओके, so students, I think the meaning is clear to you. Now we are going to do the different activities related to this chapter. So now let's start with the first one. Yes. So students, here three sentences are there. Rewrite the group of words using apostrophe s. Okay. आपको group of words जो मैंने दिया है, आपको rewrite करना है. You have to rewrite the word using apostrophe s somewhere. Okay. Uh, you have to write the answer of these three questions. The first is the car that belongs to dad. How will you write it? By using apostrophe s to show the belongingness. Yes, dad's car. Very nice, Abhinav Parmar. That's very the shield dad's car. Very nice, very nice, very nice. You have used the, yes, you have used apostrophe at right place. Sometimes the student, what do the student do? They put the apostrophe sign at the bottom पे नहीं, up पे आएगा, upper part पे. Okay, dad's car. Very nice. The dad's car नहीं, okay, dad's car is okay, only dad's car is okay. Okay, yes. The second sentence is the glasses that belongs to mom. The glasses that belongs to mom. Yes, mom's glasses. Very nice. What are glasses, बच्चे? Glasses means any type. It can be goggles, it can be this as I am wearing glasses. ठीक है, spectacles भी हो सकती हैं. Spectacle मतलब वो आपके जो sun glasses भी हो सकते हैं. These glasses can be there. Okay, so glasses that belongs to mom, mom's glasses. Prabdur, mom, ये apostrophe, only apostrophe is there. Why s is not there, बच्चे? Mom's glasses. Very nice. Okay, then the third sentence is the coat that belongs to Jake. The coat that belongs to Jake. Jake's coat. Yeah, very nice. Jake's coat. Very nice. That's very nice. Very nice. Jake's coat. Very nice. Good answer. Avneesh, Simarpreet, Raghav, Evelyn. Very nice. Good. Very good of you. I'm getting very good answers. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Good, good. So, student, your answer, first answer is dad's car. Okay. Car, dad's car. The second answer is mom's. Mom's glasses. Mom's glasses. The third answer is the coat that belongs to Jake. Jake's glasses. Very nice. Jake's glasses. Okay. Jake's coat. Sorry. Jake's coat. Okay. So this is the answer. These are the answers. Okay, students. So these are the answers to these questions. Dad's car, mom's glasses, Jake's coat. Very nice, very nice. Okay, now we are going to do the second activity. Okay, fill in the missing apostrophe. Here S word I have not used because जो आपका ये सॉरी ये जो आपका वर्ड मिसिंग है दैट इज apostrophe. वर्ड मिसिंग है. कहाँ पे आपको apostrophe डालना है? You have to see this. Okay, where you have to use the apostrophe, you will fill there. Okay, so first sentence is Kevin washed the dog's tail go back and forth. मतलब उस केविन ने डॉग की टेल ऐसे ऐसे हिलते हुए देखी. बैक एंड फोर्थ मतलब हिलते हुए देखी. ओके, सो डॉग्स. वेरी नाइस. डॉग्स वेरी नाइस डॉग्स टेल. Okay, so here आपने which sign was missing? Only apostrophe sign was missing, not S. S was there, but only apostrophe is missing. So we have written, we have to fill the sign at appropriate place, at right place, at suitable place. Okay. So Kevin watched the dog's tail go back and forth. Okay. The second is the barber cut. I'm not going to read. Sorry for that. I read the first one. I'm not going to read. Now write for the second. The sentence which start the barber. Next you complete. Read that. Rest of the portion you will read and you will put the sign. Because when I read the sentence, now you people get the answer. Yes, man's hair. The barber cut the man's hair. Very nice. Ekvi, Harshil, Abhinav, Divija, Harshil. Very nice. Darshil. Okay. The third one where you will put the apostrophe. Cars. Very nice. Cars. Motor was loud. Very nice. That's very good. Cars. Motor was loud. Yes. Very nice. Okay. The little girl's voice was. Yes. The fourth is, right for the fourth one. Right for the fourth one, bache. The little girl's voice was soft. Yes, right for the fourth one. Yes, girls. Very nice. So students, that's very good of you that you people are able to put the sign at appropriate place. As I have also put the sign. Okay, now I have also put. Okay, see, I am putting. Yes. See, you can see now I have put the apostrophe at right places. Okay, I'm going to highlight those so that you can see what places are there. Yes, I think you are able to see the places where apostrophe was to be used. It was missing, it was to be used here. Now you people have. Now students see. Yes. So these are the right answers now. I think it's visible to you. Okay. So at these places, you had to fill the apostrophe sign. Okay, students. Now let's move to the next activity now. Yes. Next activity. So already answers are written. Yes, next activity I am going to. Yes, now in this activity you have to create the group of words using apostrophe S. Okay, two words are there, child, toy. Yes, cat, claw. बेटा व्हाट इज क्लॉ? क्लॉ क्या होता है? जो पंजा जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं, कैट का पंजा इसको बोलते हैं क्लॉ। बर्ड्स के भी जो पंजे होते हैं ना, जिससे वो चीजें पकड़ते हैं, जब बैठते हैं, जब वायर पे बैठते हैं, वायर को पकड़ते हैं, दैट part of body is called claw. Okay, so child's cat's claw, child's toy, very nice. Means yes, you have to use the yes apostrophe s, apostrophe s, apostrophe s. Yes, you have to. It's not working. Yes, very nice, very nice, very good answers I'm getting. Very nice, very nice. Cat's claw. Beta, here, Simarpreet, you make the use wrong of apostrophe sign. Apostrophe sign upper side पे होता है. Cat's. Kanupriya, cat a claw नहीं, cat's claw बच्चे. Yes. Children's game. Yes. Now beta see. Men's. Now fifth one. The fifth one is wrong. Either Sheel, fifth one is wrong. See fifth one. At fifth one, you have to use only apostrophe. Okay, you have to use only apostrophe. Okay, apostrophe use करना है because जो and now I'm going to write here. See, child's toy. Okay, this was your answer. Now cat's claw. Yes, cat's claw. This was your answer. Children game. SHILDREN. Children's game. This was your answer. Men's cars. Yes. Now see the fifth one. Students. Now here it is plural. Beta, all are writing in a wrong way. Beta, this concept is not in your book. Just for your knowledge sake, I am telling जो words जिनके end में s लगा होता है plural में. Okay, see plural और singular. सॉरी प्लूरल में s लगा होता है, वहां पे हम apostrophe sign अकेला डालते हैं, s यूज नहीं करते हैं. The words which the plural words which end with s, to show the belongingness for those words, we don't use apostrophe s, we use only s. We use only apostrophe, sorry, we use only apostrophe. That I am writing students, apostrophe will be here. Okay, students pencils. Okay, so this is the way of writing. See, yes, students pencil. Okay, so see. Yes, this is the answer. Okay, students pencil. See, I have highlighted this word so that you can come to know how to write. Students बच्चे, सॉरी विद्यार्थी जिसको हम कह सकते हैं. Okay, विद्यार्थियों की पेंसिलें. Okay, so students pencil. Okay, so this is the right way. Now see, here students is plural. In the next number, teacher is singular. Now you will mistake. Okay, Raghav, what is this mistake? Okay, so in the sixth one, teacher singular is there. That's why we will write here teacher's desk. Teacher's desk. Okay, if in place of teacher, अगर teachers होता तो, if in place of teacher, teachers is there, then how would you write? If in place of teacher, plural is there, teachers is there, how would you write then? Please tell me. if in place of teachers सिंगुलर की जगह प्लूरल होता है. यस, वेरी नाइस एकवीर सिंह. That's the way. Teachers desk. Good, very good. Yes, teachers. Now you people have come to know how to show the belongingness, how to use the apostrophe with the plural ending with s. Yes, very nice. Only apostrophe is used. Very nice. That's good. That's good. Very good of you. Yes. Okay. Now the next one slide is, yes. Okay. See, so I have written the answers by mistake, no problem. So we have to use the, we had to use the apostrophe s here. The word given was cousin. Okay. The word given was cousin. So I'm going to explain this slide because already by mistake I wrote the answer and saved the answers. Okay. So here you had to use the cousins belongingness. Cousin की हमने belongingness show करनी थी. That's why हमने cousin apostrophe s ऐसे use किया cousins के साथ. Okay. We have used the apostrophe s with cousin like this. Then we had to use the word doll. डॉल वर्ड जो था वो हमने यूज करना था बिलोंगिंगनेस शो करने के लिए. सो द डॉल्स हेयर इज ब्लैक. हेयर द belongingness is shown with the word doll. Here the word with the word doll we had shown the belongingness apostrophe s हमने use किया word doll के साथ. Okay. So now here we have किस किस belongingness show की है हमने. With which word we have shown the belongingness? With which word we have shown the belongingness? Doll. Very nice. Very nice. We have used the yes, in number three sentence, with which word we have shown the belongingness? It's chair. It's chair. Okay. With chair we have shown the belongingness. Okay. Very nice. With chair we have shown the belongingness. Very nice. Very good. Okay. That's very good. Good answer. Okay. That's my aunt's pen. Here with which word we have used the belongingness? Yes, aunt. With which word? With which word we have used the aunt? A-U-N-T. Aunt. Yes, with aunt. Okay. Yes, next. Someone's car is parked in our driveway. So which word we have used for? Yes, which word we have used for? Yes, someone. It's someone. Yes, very nice. Someone. Okay. First. Yes. Someone. Yes. Someone. Yes, very nice. That's good. I have highlighted the words with which, yes. So students, these are the words. So these were the words. So you had to write the word with which apostrophe is used. Apostrophe is used with cousins, dolls, chairs, aunts, and someone's. So students, these were the answers. These were the activities you have done in today's class. Now I think apostrophe s chapter is clear to you, totally clear to you. Now you can ask your queries if you have. Thank you everyone for this, for participating in this activity. So I am very satisfied that you people have come to know about today's activities, and you have people have come to know how to use the apostrophe s. That's very good of you.